Hello friends, this is Shantanu and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how we can create a category based template for our different categories with the help of Thrive Architect plugin. So I have already created a couple of tutorials around Thrive Theme Builder as well as Thrive Architect. If you are new to my YouTube channel, just go to this playlist and here under Thrive Theme Builder tutorials, you will find all the tutorials. Now, all the tutorials I am creating on this newly created blog hostingbrowse.com. If you want to check the actual result of these designs, you can check out my live blog blogninja.com. So in that blog, let me show you a category page. Let's say WordPress hosting is a category in my blog. Web hosting is a category. So you can see that all the post under web hosting category is listing so beautifully in this page like this. Not only that, at the end of the page I have created a call to action. In top of the page also I have created a call to action. So similar templates you can create. So this is the website. So in this website so far I have only one category, as I told you. So this is the default category, like uncategorized. I have not yet done any changes. Just for the sake of creating these tutorials, I am using this website. So let's say this is the default template available for this category. Now I want to change or redesign this entire template. So what we can do, edit theme template all archives. That means whatever category I'll be creating, so this template, whatever I'm going to change, it will apply into all the categories. It will take some time to load. It's very beautiful with Thrive Theme Builder and Thrive Architect, because already they have created so many templates. As a beginner, you do not have to bother actually. You just use the existing templates and create beautiful design with just few clicks. Okay, so let's say this is the content area. So now edit the design. So now let's say I'm not happy with the template. I want a new template. So I'll go there and let me choose a template. Okay, which one, what kind of template I'm looking for? So there are multiple types. Already created, lot of templates are there. Just I need to pick one. Let's say this one I'm selecting, replace template. Fine, so it has come out like this. So instead of 2 I'll put 3. Okay, now let me edit the image size little bit. Fine. Okay, so the height is fixed here. So you want to put the title below, you can put it in the middle, you can put it in the top, something like that. You can play around it. Okay, so just save it. Fine. Let me check how exactly it look like. Okay, so this is how it is coming right now. Okay, so this is how the template is looking like right now. Okay, so now let's see this area. You want to change this area also. So again, just click on this top section, click on replace. So again, there are a lot of available templates. Whatever you find useful, you just click on it and the template will come here. So for say in every category, on top of every category, you want to promote something. So you can just for an example I'm showing you. It may look relevant, it may not look relevant. Just an example. See how beautifully the page is looking like. Okay, so maybe something you can share and then put some call to action. Watch video, YouTube channel, you can link it here, some call to action, and under this all the articles listing. Okay, there will be more things. Okay, so let's say there is something called bottom area also. So bottom area has come. Now bottom area, if you want to put another call to action or anything, let's say, let me put something else. In this case, there is something called ebook template. So if you have any ebook, where is that? This one. So if you have any ebook to promote, you can put it here. Just save it. No? Refresh it. Come down. So you can see that how quickly and how beautifully I'm actually designing these kind of templates. If you want to change the footer for that specific category, you can do that. If you want to change the header also, you can do that. You can see that for that entire category, you can actually create a total whole new design. So this is how exactly the powerful is like Thrive Architect. But I will say that at least that header and footer, you make sure they are common for your entire website. If you want to create a specific landing page, then definitely you can use like ready-made templates. So that I'm going to show you in a separate video. So this is how you can create category templates. Now whatever category you create, the same template will apply. So as you can see, this is a new blog. I do not have much post in this. I just created a dummy post here. You can say that few dummy posts are there, so that I can explain or I can create this different features, different elements of Thrive Architect and Thrive Theme Builder. So I hope you like this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, then feel free to like this video and also share this video. And if you find my tutorials useful, then don't forget to subscribe this channel and also hit the bell icon, so that whenever I upload a new video, you get the notification immediately. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.